All right, you guys, Happy New Year. Listen, today is Monday, January the 5th, and we are on our way to a work appointment. But right before the new year, we got in a new FSD update, 14.2.2.2. And so I just thought I would take an opportunity to just see how FSD 14.2.2.2 handles this little construction area that's happening in my town in Tucson, Arizona, and particularly on Grant Road. I haven't been in this area in a while, and thought I would just share with you guys how FSD handles this construction zone. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But before we do, let's just roll the intro real quick. Let's go. All right, you guys, we're ready to get started with our drive. Let's go ahead and tap FSD to start here. And put the windows up so we don't get too much outside noise. And then I'm just going to tell the car to turn right here. Oh, actually, it wants to go that way to begin with. And we'll be entering the construction zone right here. So let's take a look and see how this goes. Beautiful. Waited for that car to go by, and now it's pulling out. As you can see, we've got pedestrians everywhere, plenty of traffic on the road. And we're going to go ahead and see how the car does. Now, I do use FSD quite a bit. If I go in here into autopilot, you'll see that I use FSD about 67% of the time. So I like the technology. I think it's pretty cool that, I'm one of these early testers of the software. Obviously, we know this is going to be the future. And, I think it'll be cool in like 20 years, 30 years, pending I'm still around. I can share this kind of information with my grandchildren or my great-grandchildren. And, I'll be able to say, hey, I was there for a lot of technology. I was there for the dial-up internet. I mean, we've seen a lot of technological advances in my 47 years of living. Most of these taking place in my adulthood, right? Like, cell phones, internet, social media, self-driving cars, and so on and so on. So this will just be another experience I get to share with people in the future. So we've got a couple stop signs here, nice and clear. The road's clear, so the car went ahead and moved forward here. Beautiful. Looks like they're widening the road out here. And that appears to be the reason for the construction. We've got an intersection we've got to navigate through. So it's got to cross the intersection and go into the correct lane, of course. We've got a Kia Soul. Looks like they're going to bust a Yui. And we've got construction going both ways here. Light did turn green, so the car's moving forward. Very nice. So as you guys can see on the right-hand side, they're definitely tearing the road apart. Car is slowing down for some reason. It doesn't need to stop here. I went ahead and edged it forward a little. I don't know if it was stopping because of that really bump in the road or not, but I did push the accelerator pedal a little bit so that it wouldn't come to a complete stop right there. For a second, I thought it was going to stop like it was a stop sign, but I had a car behind me, so I didn't really want to let that play out and see what was going to happen. So I did help the car move forward in that moment. Obviously, the road's not good here. You may or may not be able to hear. See, this is not a stop sign. The car's stopping at these do not turn signs. So I did push the accelerator pedal there to help it through again, mostly because I do have a car behind me, so I don't want to get honked at because I'm trying to just see what the car is going to do with itself. I do think it was confusing, those do not turn signs with stop signs, honestly. And I noticed in those two instances, there were do not turn signs on both sides of the road. Because we just passed do not turn signs right there, but they were only on the right side of the road. So anyways, good, but not perfect. And that's going to bring us to the end of the construction. Pick a lane, car. It was hesitating a little bit, like it couldn't decide where it wanted to go. All right, short, sweet little FSD video. That's all we have for you. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.